Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create animation in Google Photos on computer. So how to create animation in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go straight to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many menu options here. Next, tap the plus icon. Now a scrolling menu like this will appear. There are many options here. Tap the animation menu. And a menu like this will appear. Select several photos that you will animate. At least select 2 photos. Tap Create at the top right of the screen. Now wait for the creation process to complete. Now you can see this is the result of making animation using photos in the Google Photos application. So that's it, the tutorial how to create animation in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.